So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Adobe stock, ticker symbol ADBE in Canada here on Questrade. So once you open up Questrade, go to the top right or the bottom left, press on buy/sell or the search icon. Here in the search symbol option, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol ABDE for Adobe. Once that is done here, press on Adobe. Go to the bottom left, press on buy. Either do a share quantity order or a dollar amount order. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on the green next button, and then follow the steps this way. So very simple, very to the point. This is how to buy Adobe stock, ticker symbol ADBE in Canada using Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.